You know, in a lot of these large cities, the infrastructure is in poor state of repair. If you turn your tap on and there's no water, people get upset. If you flush the toilet and it starts coming back instead of down, big problem, people get upset. There's a huge need for replacing this infrastructure, and it's normally in cities, it's got to go underground. You don't want to dig up roads and put massive diverting traffic and impacting all that. You can put it underground, and Trenchless is the means by which that is done. And then we can rehab the underground utilities and structures as well. As the population grows and the infrastructure continues to age, the market is very strong there. And there's not a huge amount of competition either. You know, maybe there's 10 companies, you know, or 20 companies out there that can really provide high quality services. So we fill that niche very well.